Meaning of Greenwich Mean Time.
Greenwich Mean Time.
Greenwich Mean Time.
Greenwich Mean Time.
Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, is a time zone that is used as a reference for timekeeping all around the world. It is based on the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. GMT is used to coordinate time between different countries and is essential for global communication, transportation, and trade. It is also the standard time used in the United Kingdom during the winter months. In recent years, GMT has sometimes been replaced by Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, but the two are essentially the same and differ only by a few seconds.